everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Edizza Joyce, and for today's video, our second tutorial would be how I edit my photo. Yes, the left side is the raw photo captured by my phone camera, and the right side photo is the edited one, which looks like a quality captured by a digicam, right? I will be teaching you how I am editing my photos through this app, how to make it a vibrant color, bright quality, and to be attractive when you use it on your thumbnail. So if you are new in our YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button as well for you to be updated on our next videos to come. I also have my Facebook account and my Instagram account. You can follow me there, and for any suggestions and comments, I will be glad to see you on the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Now we will be using Snapseed first. Click the plus button and import the photo that you want to edit. Click Tools and Tune Image. For the Tune Image, I am just adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and ambience times for the color. So you just need to play with those settings, and it's up to the one who is editing. What is your preference? For me, I want to be bright, I want a little bit colorful. That's why I'm always adjusting the ambience and the saturation. So that's it for Snapseed. Now that I am satisfied with the outcome of my portrait, we will now go to Facetune. Same step with the Snapseed. You need to import the photo, the last photo that we edited on Snapseed, and Facetune allow you to edit your photo, your makeup, because we all know that when we capture ourselves using a phone camera, it doesn't really capture the real thing. We really do effort a lot with our makeups, but sad to say it cannot be captured by a phone camera. So Facetune will help us to improve the color of our face and our makeups too. Here I'm always clicking the makeup button, and we can adjust our blush on. It has erase button and the add up button. It depends on you and the color that you want. So I am always using the first shade to look so fresh, and you can maximize or minimize the level of color that you are putting on your face. And that's it. For the blush on, we look so fresh, like natural makeup. And now I am putting a glitter, like a highlight in our cheeks and in our nose. So I am just minimizing it. It depends on you, but I am using the white color there. When you edit your makeup, make sure you always zoom in so that you can see clearly the details of your face and where to exactly put the brush. And you can see a 2 box button on the right side below of your photo. That is the before and after, so you may see the improvement of your picture. And now, to make our eyes brighter, I am using the base button, and I'm always selecting the white color and make a line like that so that it could look like we are wearing a contact lens. Yes. You can choose any color you want for your eyes, but I am always using the white one. As you can see on the photo, the eyes would always capture the viewers. So if you have a good eyes, you will be having a good photo definitely. So that's it. That's how I am editing my photo using Facetune as the second step. And as you can see the before and after, as I click the two box button below my photo, it shows the previous and the after edited one, and ready to save. Thank you, Facetune and Snapseed. It's really a big help. If you do not afford to buy cameras because it's really expensive, Snapseed and Facetune will help you to improve your photos. And this is our raw picture and the edited one. Really looks so good. So that's it. If you like our videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Edizza Joyce, and don't forget to click the bell button as well for you to be updated on our next videos to come. For more tutorial videos, makeup tutorial, hair tutorial, stay tuned on our YouTube channel. I also have my Facebook account and my Instagram account. You can follow me there, and for any comments and suggestions, I will be happy to assist you and to see you all on the comment section down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye!